So in the Windows menu, I'm just looking for cursor and I'm opening a project from the folder that I have just defined here. And I navigate up to this point where I can see the code. Then I select the folder and I have it now ready at this stage. Good. Next part is that we search for the extensions. If you use VS Code, this bar is going to be at the left-hand side vertically. That is the main visual difference between cursor and VS Code. But anyhow, this is the extensions tab, and in here we can search for some extensions that we are going to use. One is just our Python extension. That is the one that we need to install. So if you have not installed it, just click here on this install button. And then we also need Jupyter. So also here we have then to click install, and then we have covered these extensions.